Dear students, today we will learn about significance of strategic cost management and the basic evolution process behind the strategic cost management subject. This subject is very important for the post-graduation classes. First of all, you need to be congratulated that you are studying a subject of world-class stature, as this subject originated from the gaps arising in the application of cost management system. This subject is taught to many professional courses, MBA, even chartered accountants, company secretaryship, chartered financial analyst, CFA courses, and certified management accountant CMA USA students also go for the similar subject. In this lecture, we will get introduced with the strategic cost management, evolution process behind it, and basic concepts regarding the strategic cost management. And next video lecture will be regarding how the strategic cost management itself ties itself to the strategies to yield competitive advantage. To learn more about it, let's go for some combinations which need to be reviewed whenever there is a bad strategy. It is given a good execution, what it will result into. Here, to understand the role of components of planning and execution, one need to get into various options. So let's go for next. Good strategy plus bad strategy is the another situation. Now, what it will lead to? Let's move to the next. Good strategy combined with the good execution. Okay, now analyze all the situations. Solving the three states, bad strategy combined with the good execution. It will lead to doing wrong thing perfectly. Now another case, good strategy combined with the bad execution. That means doing right thing poorly. It is totally opposite to the first situation. But we are not at the perfect position. In the third state and final, it's a right combination. That is good strategy plus good execution. Doing right things perfectly. Till now, we have taken up three situations of strategy and execution, and we can only get the perfection with the good strategy and good execution. So here lies the importance of knowing about strategy. What is a strategy? Strategy is a well-defined roadmap of an organization. Roadmap means it drafts out or lays out the path which to be followed to achieve success. It defines the overall vision, mission, and direction of the organization. In other words, strategy is choosing to perform activities differently than the rivals do. Strategy, in short, bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to be. Strategy is derived from Greek word strategos. Stratus means army and ego means leading or moving. This concept has been adopted by business due to challenges faced by it. Otherwise, earlier it was originated from the requirement of the war, that to win we need to apply few strategies. Similarly, in business world, to achieve success, the complexities and challenges have led to adopt and adapt the word strategy. Now check out that strategy has three pillars which informs that roadmap for execution to utilize the available resources is only by availing the market opportunities. Now, next stage of development was strategic cost management. To evaluate, we need to learn whether it is the same subject, that means just the new bottles, it is packed in a different one, or it is totally a new subject of, or a new branch of knowledge, that means new wine. It is popularly quoted and evaluated by the term which is known as new wine or just new bottles. So, to analyze the subject, we need to know how it came into existence, how it is different from cost management. In 1960s, the word strategy was adopted in commerce and management field, resulted in development of the subject like strategic management. As the businesses kept on facing challenges of time, pace of development of technology, new material demands, quick obsolescence of products and services, ever growing updates due to information and communication revolution, super advancement in the field of research and development, competitors' challenges led to add significance to the term strategy. So let's learn introductory definition of cost management. Cost management is a proactive process. Proactive means before the time. It is not reactive. That as the financial accounting, which always gives us the historical database. It records what transactions have already taken place. So, cost management is not after the things have taken place, it is a proactive. Before the time, it activates to identify causes of cost associated with the provisions of products and services. Thus, cost management starts with the identification of cost causing factors known as cost drivers within the company's value chain, with the objective of taking a proactive stance in the managing costs. How cost management techniques develop with the time, and latest techniques which we have already gone through, that is activity based costing, that further led to activity based management. So further it is target costing, then Kaizen costing, life cycle costing, value chain analysis, and many more such techniques have been adopted by the cost management. Adding strategic dimension to these techniques or approaches constitute strategic cost management. Let's go for how it developed its theory base. When cost accounting and management accounting served the purpose of managerial decision making, it led to further subject known as cost management. When cost management realized the importance of strategy in it, it developed the subject strategic cost management. Strategy word was recognized by the management in the stream of strategic management, and the two subjects blended together to give a new stream known as strategic cost management. Strategic cost management, it is an outcome of churning and blending three themes: competitive advantage, value chain analysis, cost driver analysis. Competitive advantage totally focus on creating better customer value, same price, higher quality, more features, or another option to improve customer value is lower price, same quality. Let's go for the example of Samsung versus OnePlus. OnePlus smartphones are capturing Samsung's consumer market by providing better quality and more features at similar prices. Now, customer value is equal to the net value received by him. It is the difference between what customer receives and what customers gives up. That is customer sacrifice. Another policy can be adopted to achieve the competitive advantage is lower price, same quality. Now the case of Oppo versus MI. Oppo's consumer base is being captured by MI by providing same features or equivalent features to the former's flagship smartphones at a much lower price. That means it depleted its flagship business. Oppo's best range cell phones are being replaced by MI when it is going to tag it the same quality but at the lower price. So the remaining two will be discussed in the next lectures. At the end, we can inform that SCM is a blend of cost accounting and strategic management. Thank you for your attention.